Hi there, on this video, I'll show you how to fix CapCut template not showing in TikTok. To start, open your App Store. Once in App Store, search for TikTok. Download TikTok if you still do not have the application. Once done, an open chat balloon shall open, and then tap on it. You need to update your TikTok as well. Once done, open your TikTok application. In the search bar, search for CapCut videos, and then click on it. Once you find that video, use the template in CapCut, and then click on Open. Once you have opened, you can now use the template from CapCut, and then use any video in your gallery to use the template from CapCut. In this example, I'll be using some of the clips that I have on my gallery. You can follow along as well with your own pictures. Export video, and that's it. Leave a like, share, and subscribe.